Today we're at 11717 East Salmon Drive in Floral City. This is a lakefront property that is, I can almost promise you, one of the most unique you'll find. So if you're looking for waterfront living, but maybe not necessarily on those Gulf waters anymore, then this might be something that interests you. So we've got over half an acre, and it's a fun pink color. If you don't like it, it's just paint. But if you're into those fun things, then you'll appreciate this. We've got a little she shed or office or studio. If you've got somebody who needs an art studio, or you want a quiet office, which is why these owners had this constructed during COVID. They needed a quiet place to work, so it is hardwired for internet. It's got electric, obviously. Composite deck. And he's still just tidying it up some more, but it's a really great space. Ceiling fans, LED lights, nearly new and so cute. And then of course you've got parking. You've got RV parking and RV hookup. So as you can see, it's a little taller there to afford the extra space for the RV. This has all been freshly painted with the speckled concrete. There's some storage area right there. I'm telling you, storage everywhere. Parking for your lawn equipment. Then you've got another area in here. He's working in there right now, so we won't bother him, but see the hot tub area, that stays. And then we've got washer and dryer. And we've got all of this outer area with pavers. So it makes for a nice little walkway. We'll come in through the front door into this enormous kitchen that was just recently redone. Look at all of those. They've got all the cabinets have the pull-outs, which makes it really convenient. Beautiful backsplash. Oops. And my favorite part, the sink. Nice little inset here, and the exposed brick that was the original outside of the house. You've got tiled plank flooring, which is so durable. Mini splits keep it nice and cold in here. So you've got this enormous bar with a butcher block that matches the counter, and then a separate space for your dining area. So you could have any size table you want there. There's plenty of space. Cute coffee bar area, and then a spacious living room with chalkboard walls. Isn't that fun? If you have kids, they'll enjoy that. If not, that can be your to-do list. I don't know about you, but mine is ever growing. And that takes us to the master bedroom. We've got brand new laminate flooring in here and newly redone bathroom. Love that honeycomb. Also have a walk-in master closet. We've got a second bedroom with access outside through the sliders. No closet in here, but you can put a wardrobe. And then got your guest bathroom, fun mirror, and shower doors. Nice storage, that'll all stay, of course. And you head into your office. Just a cute little area, just the right size. As well as another bedroom. Got a walk-in closet in here, a little hard to see. Access outside, another mini split in here. And then we head outside. You've got a covered walkway. Here's the other side of the yard. There's your boathouse, your fish cleaning station. Water's still up a little bit, but this is as high as it's gotten. So with all the rising waters, Withlacoochee is down that way. So you've got the river, and then down this way goes out to the chain of lakes. You've got an airboat path. And you've got your very own boat ramp over here, just on the other side of these bushes. So if you've got any furry friends that need a special fenced in area, that is cross fenced right there. Nice picnic area. And then here's your boat ramp. When the water goes down, you'll be able to see the rubber skidding, so that if you've got an airboat and you want to pull it up on here, you can. And a concrete seawall. You won't find that in very many areas here on the lake. So there we go. That's Salmon Drive. If you have any questions, want to schedule a showing, just curious about details about it, then feel free to call me.